Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow device to play phone calls or disable it on your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. You have to start by open settings. Then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we have phone calls. And now, if this slider near to it have empty background, it means that it's disabled. And to enable it, just tap on it. And as you can see, I just enable it, and right here we have better percentages. So if you haven't it, you may need to enable this feature. Now to disable it, just click at this slider also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!